Did you get caught in the rain? Is it still raining?
Well, I wasn't swimming in the Thames. The rain started while I was riding back from class. It's still raining now.
Oh, this weather's terrible. Come and get warm.
Oh.
There you go.
Is Agatha home?
No, she was on her way to yoga when I came back from class. I hope you're not coming down with a cold. Your hair's still wet. There, pass me the towel. I'll dry it for you.
Thanks. That feels nice. Last night, when I came back from work, it was also raining.
That's London. If you move a little closer, I can reach the back of your head better.
It's just me.
Are you okay?
All's well. It's just the vase near the door, that's all.
Oh.
I have to make a phone call. I'll do it from the other room so I don't disturb you two there studying.
You don't have to. We can go upstairs. I can go to my bedroom, and Elena is better off drying her hair in the bathroom.
Yes, of course.
Oh, I have to tell Betty. I can't wait. Good morning. May I speak to Betty Summers, please? Betty, you'll never guess. Betty? Oops. Sorry, wrong Betty. Could you put me through to Betty Summers, please? She works in the accounts department on the second floor, extension 566. Yes, I'll hold. Thanks. Betty, you'll never guess what my little brother was doing when I came home. He was sitting on the sofa kissing Elena. No, they were definitely kissing. It wasn't just a quick kiss. They were kissing when I arrived home.
No, listen, Mom, I have to go. My lesson is starting. I'll call you back tonight. Bye. Sorry about that. My mom loves talking on the phone. It's sometimes difficult to get her to stop. Well, how about the sitcom today? It was getting pretty steamy on the sofa, wasn't it? Anyway, let's look at what we are going to study today. First, we will look at the past continuous. For example, I was walking. You were dancing. Then we will look at some prepositions of place and movement, such as in, on, at, and by. Then finally, we will learn some language used on the telephone. Okay? Let's get started. So, when poor Elena came in, she said that the rain started while she was riding back from class. This is an example of the past continuous. The verb to be in the past, so was or were, plus the verb in ing. I was cycling. You were speaking. She was studying. We use the past continuous to describe an action that was in progress in the past. We often use it with the past simple to describe a long action interrupted by another action. For example, I was walking down the street when I saw John. She was washing the car when it started to rain. We also use it to describe two past actions happening simultaneously. As Agatha said, he was sitting on the sofa kissing Elena, meaning he was sitting on the sofa and he was kissing Elena. I was cutting the vegetables while Dylan was pouring the wine. Do you see? Now, let's look at some prepositions of place and movement. Has anyone seen my bag? Oh, here it is on the table. Oh, I'm so forgetful. I can't remember where I put my keys either. Ah, silly me. Here they are in my bag. I remember I put them into my bag so I wouldn't lose them. And my glasses? Where are they? Ah, they are in here too. I think I'll take them out of the bag so they don't get broken. Maybe I'll put them onto my head. For safekeeping. That's better. Now, after the lesson, I'm meeting my friend Jade for coffee. I'm meeting her at the flower shop on the high street by the park. I hope I remember. You know what I'm like. Okay, finally, I want us to study some telephone language. Do you remember what Agatha said on the phone? She said, "May I speak to Betty Johnson, please?" This is how we ask for someone on the phone. Then she said, "Could you put me through to?" This is what we say when we are talking to a secretary or receptionist of a business and want to talk to someone specific. Please hold on. To be on hold means to wait to be connected to someone. You often hear some really dreadful music while on hold. We also have some important phrasal verbs in the English telephone language. To pick up is to answer the phone, and to hang up is to end the call. Okay? So now you know how to have a phone conversation in English. Good work. Well, that's all for today. See you next time, or maybe give me a call.